Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to design a parametric wall in SolidWorks. First, create a rectangle surface. Then use Freeform to shape it into a 3D surface. After that, we will move and offset the surface. Extrude a solid body up to it. Then we will create patterned planes. Next, using intersection curve to generate the 3D profiles. At last, extrude on the 3D sketch to create the curve fit panels. Okay, let's get started on the details step by step. First, create a sketch on the front plane. Draw a rectangle. Set dimensions width to 400 and length to 500. Then go surface. Fill the surface. Select the rectangle. Next, go Freeform and select the face. Click Add Curves to add lines on the surface. Then flip direction to add the horizontal lines. Click on Add Curves again to stop it. Then we can move the cross points. And I'll suggest you to move the point in one axis in a time. And set all the edges continually to movable. Then we can move the point in one axis. You can move the point through the axis or input the distance after you select the point. Once the 3D surface looks good, offset it 200 in the Z-axis. Then select the rectangle sketch. Go to Extrude, select Up to Surface, and select the surface. Now we can hide the surface. Next, let's create a patterned planes. Start with the right plane. Set the distance to 50 and the quantities to 100. Select all the planes. Right-click, add them to a new folder. and rename it. Next, create a 3D sketch and enable the section field to solids and planes. Then box select all the pattern planes and the solid body. Use intersection code to generate all the profiles. Then hide the solid body. Go to Extrude again. Change the type to blind. Set the thickness to 25. And select the right plane as a normal direction for extruding the 3D sketch. And reverse the direction if needed. That's it. We've created a parametric wall in SolidWorks. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.